Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are going to learn CBSE class 10th Maths, chapter 6 triangles. Let's see theorem 6.2, converse Thales theorem. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. Let's see triangle ABC. Here given triangle ABC and a line DE intersecting AB at D and AC at E, intersecting AB at D and AC at E, such that AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. To prove DE parallel to BC. Construction. Assuming DE is not parallel to BC, if DE is not parallel to BC, draw DE dash parallel to BC. So, here this DE is not parallel to BC. So, we can draw DE dash. This DE dash parallel to BC. Proof. Since DE dash parallel to BC, so by Thales theorem, already we know that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides divided in the same ratio. We can write the same here. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct point. The other two sides divided in the same ratio. So by Thales theorem, other two sides divided in the same ratio. So AD divide DB equal to AE dash divide E dash C. So we can write the same here. AD divide DB equal to AE dash divide E dash C. This is considered equation 1. But here given AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC. So AD divide DB equal to AE divide EC, because given. This is considered equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, here both equation LHS equal, so as well as RHS also equal. So we can write AE dash divide E dash C equal to AE divide EC. Adding 1 on both sides. So AE dash divide E dash C, AE divide EC. Both sides adding 1. Taking LCM on both sides, here denominator E dash C, here numerator AE dash plus E dash C into 1, we will get E dash C equal to here denominator EC, numerator AE plus 1 into EC, we will get EC. Now AE dash plus E dash C, so AE dash plus E dash C, we will get AC divide E dash C equal to here AE plus EC, AE plus EC also same, AC divide EC. Both side AC cancel, remaining we will get 1 by E dash C equal to 1 by EC. Now rearranging this equation, we will get EC equal to E dash C. Thus, E and E dash coincide. Since DE dash parallel to BC, so DE parallel to BC. Hence proved. That's all for the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Now this session going to end. If you have any doubt, comment below. Subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.